All right, well, it's day one. First things first, we're gonna sand, prep, get ready for paint. Well, here is the kit. Let's see, this is the unboxing from Amazon. Took a few days to come in the mail. So I'm using the 8 liter, which is the biggest one you can order. And again, I'm doing the tintable version. You can buy them with the tint online. You can buy different kits with the tint coloring. I didn't do that. I actually just bought the paint kit. And then I went into a local auto paint shop and I bought this urethane tintable color. Now this will work on anything. It's really about the prep work that you do. The last one I got was the black one. This is again the tintable one. So it comes in this. Each of these boxes has 4 liters. This kit that I bought comes with a spray gun as well, which is awesome because it gives you that texture. You just hook it up to an air compressor. So you gotta have a decently nice air compressor. This is not the same one I used before, but what's sweet about this kit is that the bottles, so it comes in 8 individual liter bottles, and they actually screw directly into here. So you don't have to worry about like dipping it in the paint or pouring paint into a certain thing. You just shake the bottle of paint up with the tint and with the hardener, and then you just connect it straight to the gun, which is already to your air compressor, and just shoot it. And that's it. Hopefully it works out great. We'll see how it works. So first day, sanding, prep. So I'm gonna sand the whole outside with like a 60 grit. This stuff's pretty rough and it actually gives a good texture. So I'm just gonna do a 60 grit and that's gonna be good. Just scuff everything up and then really, get over where there was those old lettering and the old marks, the stickers. And then I'm gonna go over the whole thing with like an acetone just to kind of wipe off all the dirt. And then that's gonna do it, but I'm gonna do the roof as well. So there's gonna be a lot of taping and stuff like that, but hopefully not a ton of work. My last truck needed a lot of extra sanding, but we're gonna give it a go. First sanding, here we go. Oh yeah. The taping takes forever. I definitely am gonna caulk some of these lines up through here with some silicone and stuff, but looking good. About 3 hours in, mostly taped up. Still gotta do the back, still gotta caulk, still gotta get all the silicone in there. It's a little dusty everywhere. A little dark blue dust action.
It's happening right now. Right now.
Woo! I think it's gonna be pretty. All right, well, we're making good progress today. We might try to get out there. It's about 6:30, gets dark about 9. Might try to get out there, finish sanding, get the paint up. We'll see what we can get. But the only way to recharge with my sponsor, Chipotle. Not actually my sponsor, but hopefully soon, maybe. We'll see. All right, well, the sun is setting. It's 8:35.
8:30 paint job.
Is it bedtime?
No way.
No, buddy.
Not yet.
It's paint time. We're gonna go for it. Little tape, throw a little piece on there. This is the final touch. The van ready to go. As the sun is setting, we're gonna send it. We're gonna send it. We just acetoned it. Oh, look at the clouds right now. Wow.
That's awesome.
Okay, so
There we go.
pull open those boxes, okay? We pull these out. This is the tintable Raptor bed liner. That means we have our tint color. And then we need, this is the hardener, okay? And then you need that measuring cup. Does it have the lines on it?
Yeah.
What does it have on it? Fill line 8 ounces. Uh-oh, we need the 3-ounce one. All right, so here's how it works. You get your Raptor tintable bed liner. You pour in 3 ounces of the tint, then 8 ounces of the hardener, and then you shake this guy for 2 minutes, screw it straight onto the gun, and then just blow away. Gotta shake up my coloring really good. This is some potent car paint, auto, urethane, whatever, pick your color, I don't know what it is. Okay, here we go. Probably should have like a ground surface that we're doing this all on, but we'll just use one of these boxes, open it up, just so we don't spill on the ground here. We're doing a really official paint job here. Okay.
Oh,
You like that? You like how I do it here? All right. So we're gonna go 3 ounces of this puppy. Where's the freaking ounces? Oh, there it is. It's right here on the side, right here. Boom, that's perfect. What a freaking pour. All right, shake one of these guys up. Okay, and then we'll go 8 ounces of the paint hardener. Once you get this thing going, you gotta shake for 2 minutes and you gotta spray right away. So this is it, we're good, we're locked in. We're going, here we go, here we go. All right, we'll pull that out. Get good, this is good. Get it all on your hands. That's key, kids. Everybody else I've ever seen do this has like a full hazmat suit on, but unfortunately those are all sold out. Coronavirus 2019, 2020. So here we go. That's how we do it. You just don't breathe it in, all right? Hold your breath for the whole time you're painting. Here we go, kids. We go this, we go heart or color. I literally have no idea how this is gonna turn out, but I'm confident I can do all things. Okay, so clearly you gotta get a little bit more than 3 ounces because a lot of it stays in the jar. That's good to know for the next one, all right. I got barely more in this one, so we're good to go. Hardener, 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 hardener. 8 ounces of hardener. Okay, here we go, here we go. Put the cap on. Okay, now this is Tyler's job while I go get the thing. All right, he's gonna shake it up. We're gonna get this thing rolling. This is just a cup of water to have to run through it about, I don't know, halfway through. All right, guys, we're gonna get after this. I'm gonna put it up on a time lapse and we'll see what happens. Here we go. All right, we're nearly there. We got we're on to our 7th bottle out of 8, but we really want to get every angle, all the nooks, the crannies. Don't know what that means. It kind of sounds weird, but keep a little distance to it. About 40 or 50 psi is pretty good. So you got to make sure you have a regulator on your gun or on your machine or on the gun. Some guns come with a regulator right in here, but this one didn't. So luckily we have a machine that we can use that has it. We'll have to get back to you in the morning when we take all the tape off, see how it looks, see how the color turned out. I'll let you know if it looks like it's a little lighter than the initial color I wanted, but I like it. But just so you know, maybe if you want a certain color, you might have to go a little darker. I will give you the full reveal tomorrow when we take all the tape off. Well, good morning. Coming to give a first van look, van reveal. It's looking good so far. There's definitely a few spots that we're needing to do a touch up on. So luckily we had that last bottle. I don't recommend doing that at night when you can't see, because there's definitely a few spots that need done. But that's all right. It'll give us time to show exactly how we're doing it and to see it in the daylight, and then unwrapping, and she will be good to go. Doing a little wheel painting today also. All right, getting this last bottle shaken. All right, we're nearly there. Painting the wheels right now. I'm using this VHT wheel paint from AutoZone. Looking good, all right. It's looking all right so far. I'm making sure to sand everything with 400 grit, taping everything off, and then just going over in a few coats, acetone as well, just to get everything clean. So just take a look here. I don't know if it's gonna work perfect. I don't have any good advice of what paint's better than others, but looks all right to me. All right, well, the time is now for the big reveal. Honestly, the wheels, the rest of the painting, the top, the cover-ups, all of that took a little bit longer than expected, but we're gonna do the full reveal right now, unwrap it, put it back together, get all the wheels unwrapped, see how it looks. All right, well, we're almost just over a day in, 2 days project. We started yesterday late afternoon. It's finished, completely done. Took us all 8 liters of it. We went over a few spots today. There's even a few spots on the roof, little other things that, 1, don't do it at night. 2, make sure you have good covering everywhere. But it turned out really good. Pumped about how it turned out. It's really rough. It's already holding up well. Painted the rims also and the front part. It's pretty clean for a cheap paint job. Definitely covered everything well that we wanted to cover, all the old words and stickers and everything. So stoked about how it turned out. Now onto the roof rack. So I found the car that I modeled the color after. It was this color is exactly what I ordered. It definitely turned out lighter. It turned out okay. I like the color. I'm stoked about it. It looks light and it looks a little bit more gray, but it is a little different. So just so you know, if you're trying to get a specific color match, you're gonna have to go a little bit darker.